Siphinde sikubingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena-ke oqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi, siyacela ukuba cofa ibhathini subscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. Isexwayiso esiphuthumayo esibhekiswe kuThami Khuzwayo othe wathatha iqembu i-MK Party wayisa enkantolo ngoba ephikisana nokuhoxiswa kwakhe ukuba i-MP ePhalamende. Awuzweke nasi isixwayiso sibekwa umkhulu.
Ebukhosini siyabingelela umkhulu uNkunzebomvu izandla edlule ekhanda. Last week or 2 weeks back ngibone ey'ndabeni lapha ku television i-MK ixoshe okanye isule yasusa yareshaflisha ama-members athile, I think awu-8 or 18 if I'm not mistaken, but kusale awu-6 akade efungisiwe. Now namhlanje ngibone ivideo yomfana ethiwa uThami wakaKhuzwayo. So ngikwenza lokhu ukuthi ngikhulume ngim-advise lo mfana ngoba owakithi ngithola ukuthi okwakaKhuzwayo. Abantu bayaKhuzwayo kunabagumede into eyodwa leyo. Bafo ngicela ukuku-advise. One, wena wajoyina i-MK voluntarily. You wanted to make change. You wanted to bring about change. You were not recruited as an employee. You are not an employee. You are a cadre. You are a soldier. You are a revolutionarist. You want to bring about change in our society through this vehicle called MK. So you must therefore respect the decision taken by the leadership. If the leadership decides today that Dr. Hlophe must be taken away from Parliament, it would be the decision for the leadership and it must be respected. It's so unfortunate in politics that at times you get to be deployed, and when the tenure of being deployed has elapsed, they take you elsewhere. And once you are deployed to a particular position does not necessarily mean it's permanent. So at times a decision might come from above, from the leadership, to say we don't want you there now, we want you elsewhere. So you are deployed. So please don't take an approach of an employee behaving like an employee as if you are working for a particular corporate company. MK is a political party that you should understand. And you can be deployed anywhere. So that does not mean because now they've moved you in Parliament and now you have to take them to court. What does it say to you? What does it say to you about the relationships and ties that you have with the MK leadership? Because you are saying now you are burning the bridges if you are taking MK to court, simply because you want to be there in Parliament. There are certain fights that you need to choose as a person. This one, I cannot fight this one. Just swallow your pride, bow out with your dignity intact. So don't fight all the fights that you come across. It's a decision by the leadership, respect it, bow out and wait for another turn. You will be deployed elsewhere where they need you. Right now, they didn't see you as a candidate who's fit enough to hold office in Parliament. So accept that. In fact, to all of you who were taken out of Parliament, it's a decision that you must live with, you must respect. Because this is a revolutionary process. You voluntarily joined MK, you were not recruited and you are not employees. You were not even interviewed to show that you are not employees. So don't behave like employees, behave like cadres, behave like foot soldiers. When the leadership has spoken, respect that, bow out with your dignity intact. So ngiyacela mfowethu Khuzwayo, ngiyacela bafu, never take MK to court simply because you feel aggrieved that you were taken out in parliament having been sworn at. Please, just wait for another chance. Because there is a reason. If you want to find a reason, go and try and organize with the leadership, set up a meeting, request a meeting, go find out as to what was the reason. But I know, Mina, in politics that most of the time you get taken out in a particular position of leadership and you are not given a reason at times. A typical example, even President Ubaba was taken out as a president and he was never given any reason up until today. So this is the nature of the game. This is the nature of politics in South Africa. In fact, everywhere worldwide. So whenever you are taken out in a particular position, does not necessarily mean they'll give you reasons. And some of the reasons, if you do, you are likely to get reasons, might not be at your favor. Please, don't take that approach of going to court. Because uzozifakela umzondo and uyohamba uxoshwa yonke indawo, any political, because even if you leave MK, uyohamba uxoshwa anywhere. Ngoba abantu aba-power hungry in politics abafunakali. If you are a leader, you become calm and you are